Hello guys, I'm your host Prateik. So this is the next session of our programming language, that is Java. So in this session we'll deal how the Java program gets executed or what are the execution process in our Java program. So first of all what we do is write our source code. First of all we write source code which is written in the form of English. After that particular source code is compiled, and after the compilation, that is all the source code are compiled at once, that is translated at once into a bytecode, which is a machine independent code. It is platform independent code, and this particular machine code is this particular independent machine code is then interpreted, and from which we get our output. So here are the steps. First of all we write our source code, after that our bytecode, and that particular bytecode is interpreted and we get our output. So this was the flow of control of our Java execution process. So next is the point that what are the difference are between compiler and interpreter. When we talk about compiler is a translator which translate high level language to machine level language, and in the same way interpreter is also converter, that is it translates the high level language into machine level language. After that, when we talk about the major difference, compiler translates the high level language to machine level language at once. That means, as the name suggests, it compiles completely, that is it's translate that particular statement completely at once. And when we talk about interpreter, it translates the high level language to machine level language line by line, that is incompletely. As the name suggests, compiler completely, interpreter incompletely, that is line by line. When we talk about the next thing, that are printing statements. There are two types of printing statements, there are two types of printing functions present in Java. One is print and another one is println. When we talk about print function is something which is attached to system.out stream, and that particular function is used to print the message or value or we can say variables in same line. The cursor points in the same line. For example, here I have given an example: system.out.print Yasho, system.out.print Somideep, system.out.print Priyanshu. The output will be Yasho, Somideep and Priyanshu in the same line. So this is the work of print. When we talk about next, println, that is function which prints the statements in new line. After it's direct the cursor to go in the next line. So let's see with an example: system.out.print Akash, then next one is system.out.println Matre, after that system.out.print Kriti. In this statement, first two statements are SOP, that is ln, system.out.print ln. So first two lines have been printed in the, first of all cursor will print Akash, then it will change the line Matre, then it will change the line, so it will print Kriti in the another line. As we have seen that it is given here print, then also it will print the Kriti in the new line. So when we talk about the next thing, that are Java character set. When we talk about Java character set, see, like in English our particular A to Z and small a to Z and some sign symbols are the valid characters that English language can recognize or recognized by English language. In the same way, Java has its own particular character set, which is a particular type of characters which Java can recognize and understand. So Java character set is a valid set of characters that Java can recognize, understand. The next thing is Unicode. Unicode is 2 bytes characters code which has almost all the characters which ASCII values has. ASCII is American Standard Code of Information Interchange. So Java also uses Unicode character set, which is a 2 byte character which represent almost all the characters. After that, the word comes the tokens. See, tokens are the smallest individual unit of our program. Like in the human physiology, we are having cell. After that cell makes tissue, then tissue makes the organ make the organ systems make the organism. I repeat, let's see. First of all we have cell, and set of cells make a tissue, set of tissue make a organ, set of organs make a organ system, and set of organ system make a organism. In the same way, our programming language has token, like our body has cell, they have token, like our body has tissue, they have statement, like our body has organ, they have set of statement, like our body has organ system, they have function, like we have our body, they are having program. That is, first we create token, after the statements, after the set of statements, then function, then programs. When we talk about types of tokens, tokens are of various types that are literals, identifiers, assignment, operators, punctuators, and separators, and keywords. So when we talk about identifiers, identifiers are the name, as the name suggests, it helps to identify something. Identifiers are the name given to different parts of program, such as they are variables, objects, class, array, and function. They are the basic need of identifiers. They used to give different name to different memory locations. After that, the word comes the literals or constant. They are the properties, they are the quantities in our program which remain fixed. That is constant, that means they remain fixed. So data which remain fixed are known as constant. They are the values, for example, number 9, number 8, a, or we can say x. So assignment is something, the next come is the assignment. Assignment is something which helps to assign variable or constant, or we can say a type. Variable is a type of identifier. It is a memory space, named memory space. So assignment is something which assign value to a variable. So for example, here it is int a is equal to 10. A is a variable, equal to is an assignment operator, 10 is a value or constant. So let's move further. That is punctuators. Punctuators are the signs and symbols used as a special character in our program. That is, there are certain signs and symbols which are used with a special meaning. For example, question mark is used in ternary operators, full stop is used to refer scope of object, semicolon is used to statement terminator. So punctuators are the signs which have specific meaning. Then comes the separators. Like I am saying one after the other statement continuously, you will not be able to understand. In the same manner, computer needs some separators. Separators are the certain sign symbols which are used to separate expressions, set of statements, and other things. So braces comes with the, we can say, parenthesis. Here it is parenthesis used to separate arithmetic expression. Curly braces are used to separate set of statement. Square brackets are used to separate array name and index value. So when we talk about operators, operators are something which are used to perform some logical operation to yield meaningful we can say result. Operators are the signs and symbols which are used to perform operations. So when we deal with the example int abc, a plus a equal to b plus c, here a and b and c are the values on which operation are performed, and they are known as operand, and the a, b and c are the operand, as plus are operand and the plus is the operator. Then next come the keyword. Keywords are some certain words which have a special meaning for the compiler, and they are written once, and compiler as it is know what to do with this particular keyword. So for example of the some examples of the keywords are final, new, etc. So that's all about the today's session. Before that, work hard than you did yesterday. Thank you.